Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Mbappe's news is all around the world, and La Liga president has said that he's going to file a case with Uefa. Would you like to say anything about this?
Well, I can say what's our official position. No, I mean, clearly what's happening with state-supported or state-financed clubs, it's a real threat to football. It's a threat as problematic as it was Super League. So somebody should explain how a club that has lost 700 millions in the last few years, that has a salary expenditures of 600 million in a league that doesn't generate, is the fifth league of Europe by money making. How can they overpay clubs who are the richest in the world by revenue, at least official revenue? Somebody should explain that. And so this is basically a breach and attack on financial stability of clubs. It's financial doping. So that's why we are going to denounce it to UEFA, FIFA, and the French authorities.